In today's video, we're just going to take a look at a daily chart of XBI and look for a trade setup. Now, I know the one that I would prefer to look at because price is below the 200, below the 50, and the 5 and 13 are in a sell mode. So I would prefer to look at the sell side because after all, it's also a bearish pattern from that last high. So this is what we do. Now you can run the retracements of the prior swings. So we have this high to this low. And we can also run the slightly smaller swing, high to low. Okay, there is a 618 retracement there. And we also want to look at the symmetry. And remember that symmetry is similarity or equality when comparing swings in the same direction. So I'm going to be taking this swing and also the swing inside the swing to look at possible symmetry resistance. So low to high projected from the low, and then this low to high projected from the low. And then we could also look at this slightly smaller swing inside the first one, low to high projected from this low. Okay, so right there we actually don't even need anything else because we have symmetry that overlaps a 618 retracement as far as the decision. So that means we have a sell cluster in the case of XBI anywhere from 84.93 to 85.45. Let's see where the actual high was made. Okay, actual high was made at 84, so that was close enough. And then what would you look at for a downside target? You always look at the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. So that would be this low to this high. Whoops, let me make sure that I'm grabbing the right high here. All right, so we would take this low to this high, run the extensions, and say that if we get the full move off of this resistance, then your initial downside target is going to be this 78.90 area. Okay, so that's basically how I start with a blank chart and set up a trade.